Did you know that changing your haircut alone can make you look up to 40% more attractive and confident? Yeah, same face, same guy, just a better haircut. Most men don't need a glow-up. They just need the right style. Look around you for a second. Every other guy has the same fade haircut. Same sides, same top, same look. Now be honest. Does that style even feel unique anymore? Not really. It's a 10-year-old trend. It gives teenage vibes. Here's something interesting I've noticed. Celebrities, CEOs, businessmen, actors, the most successful guys, they almost never go for crazy fades or funky cuts. They keep it simple, clean, timeless. Because once you're 20 plus, your hairstyle shouldn't scream college kid. It should say mature, confident, put together. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'll break down 5 classy hairstyles that instantly upgrade your look. Plus, one secret that makes any hairstyle look 10x better. Why hairstyle matters. Think about it. When someone sees you for the first time, they judge you in like 3 seconds. Before you even speak, they notice your face, hair, and grooming. If your hair looks messy or childish, people subconsciously read you as less mature. But a clean, simple style? Instant respect. Guy has his life together. Simple doesn't mean boring. Simple means effortless confidence. 1. Classic side part. This one never fails. Clean, sharp, timeless. Works for college, office, weddings, literally anywhere. Keep the top around 3-4 inches. Sides short with scissors, not a skin fade, just a soft blend. Style tip. Use a light matte cream or sea salt spray for natural volume. Avoid heavy gel. It makes hair stiff and greasy. This look says, professional but stylish. 2. Regular trim, no fade. If you want low maintenance, this is it. Just a balanced, even haircut all around. No harsh lines, no dramatic fades, just clean and neat. Style tip. Add a little styling cream, finger comb, done. Takes 30 seconds. Perfect everyday look. 3. Medium length slick back. Modern. For a polished, mature vibe. Keep the top longer, about 4 to 5 inches. Comb everything back naturally, not flat, not oily. You want volume and flow. Use sea salt spray plus blow dry back. This gives you that gentleman energy. But quick tip, if you have a big forehead or receding hairline, skip this one. 4. Bro flow. If you like longer hair, bro flow is elite. Let your hair grow a bit. Let it fall naturally. No heavy styling. Just light cream or leave-in conditioner. It looks effortless. Like you didn't even try. But somehow, you still look better than everyone. Works amazingly if you've got thick or wavy hair. 5. Classic taper. Last one. Classic taper. Probably the safest haircut ever. Longer top, sides slowly shorter, smooth blend. Not a skin fade. It's clean, balanced, and professional. This suits almost every face shape. If you're confused, just ask your barber for this one. You can't go wrong. But listen, none of these hairstyles matters. If your hair is unhealthy, dry, thin, weak hair, even the best haircut looks average. Healthy, thick hair, even a basic cut looks amazing. So focus on hair care first. Shampoo right. Condition, eat good, sleep properly. Styling is step 2. Health is step 1. So stop chasing trends. Start going classy. Pick one style, tell your barber clearly, and keep it clean. That's it. Comment which one you're trying. Side part, taper, or flow. And if you're dreaming of healthy hair, watch my hair care video next. Catch you in the next one.